In this video, I'll show you how you can create a free invoice online. I'll show you how to create one like this. You'll be able to add and change all of these fields. You'll be able to change the currency. So let's jump into it. So the website that I use and I'm going to recommend is invoicehome.com. This isn't sponsored. It's just a free invoice builder. So go ahead and click create now once you're on invoicehome.com. Now, once you're here, you just need to go ahead and add in some basic details. We're on the basic form, but you can go to the advanced section as well. Now, what you would do here is you would enter in your company name, your personal name and address. For the video, I'll just add KnowledgeBase as the company name. Again, these fields are optional. You don't have to put in your address. You can just add whatever data you need. So I'm going to add KnowledgeBase. We're going to bill to John Smith. We're going to put his address here. You can then go ahead and upload a logo if you want to. So go ahead and click here. You can add a logo. If you want to upload your logo, click your logo and then click choose file. You can also choose clip art or you can choose not to have a logo. Now you've got your invoice number. I'm going to generate invoice number 2. You've got the invoice date here, which you can change. And then you've got your description and the price. So go ahead and enter in what job you're billing for. So we'll bill for YouTube management services. We'll put it as 2,000. And then we can go ahead and see that update here. Now, if you wanted to change this from Great British Pounds to dollars, click edit. You can then change that to, let's say, for example, USD. Now you can see that has updated in dollars. You can then write your terms and conditions for payments. Maybe you want to add your bank details here so people can send the payment via bank. Basically, any way that they can pay, you want to add it here. You can also go ahead and upload your own signature, the same way you would do with a logo. Now, once you're happy with all of this, go ahead and click Save Invoice. It's going to ask you to log in, but I just continue with Google. And then once you've logged in, you'll see your invoice. Now, you can go ahead and select the template. So click Select Template. And from here, you can choose any template. So we'll choose this one here. So that one looks good enough for me. Once you're happy with it, go ahead and click Download. It will then download that invoice. And here it is. You can then go ahead and send that invoice to your client. So I hope that quick video did help you out. Let me know if it did.